Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of the series on how to build apps using Android Studio. In this video, we will be learning about TextViews. In case you have not installed Android Studio, I will be dropping the download links below in the description. Click on the new project. Now select empty activity and click on next. Enter the package name. This is the project name for your application. For now, let everything else remain the same and click on finish. The studio will start building the project. Initially, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes depending on your CPU performance. Now we can see that two new files are opened, Java and XML. Here Java is the backend and XML is the front end of your Android application. Don't worry, I will cover these topics later on in the series. Click on the XML file, wait for it to finish building the project. Delete the Hello World text view by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Once the project is built completely, you can see that the app screen has turned white. Select the text view from the palette available in the left side of the editor. Now drag and drop it to any part of the app screen. Select the edge and you can see an arrow popping. Drag it towards the edge of the screen. Do the same for other edges. We do this to tell the editor where the view should be placed in the screen. We will now select the text view. You can see the properties of the text view in the right side. Here you can change the text, font, color, size and many more properties. At first we will change the text. Search for text in the search field and type anything you want that has to be displayed. We can change the front end of the app either by using the drag and drop method or by going to the text editor in the XML file. Let's change the font size by coding instead of doing it directly. Type Android:text size and enter the size. Here the unit used here is SP. Search for text color to change the color of the text. Enter the name of the color you want it to change. We see that the studio automatically writes the code. Search for font family to change the font. Select any one of the pre-installed fonts. The background attribute is used to change the background color of the view. I'll change the text color to white. We can give some gap between the starting point of the text and the background color using the padding attribute. Here, the unit used is dp. We can change the height and width of the view. By default, it is set to wrap content, which means the size of the view will be as big as the size of the text. You can change it to any size by changing the wrap content to any size you want. The attribute gravity is used to align the text. You can align it to center, left, right, top left and lot more options. The opacity of the view can be changed by using alpha. You can pass float values between 0 and 1, where 0 will make the view invisible and 1 will make the view 100% visible. I'll change the background color to red. After you have completed designing the application, select Run option at the top and click on Run App. You can either run the app in your Android device by connecting your laptop to your mobile through USB cable. In my case, I'll be using Android emulator. It will take some time to build the app. Once it is built, the application should pop up in your mobile screen. This is just the front end. If you want to make it interactive, you can do it by coding it in Java. We will be covering this topic later on in the series.